Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody emailed me a question about how to rotate the word Texas around a star. So first of all, we need our star in the center of the page, and if you watch enough of my videos, I've already pressed P and put it in the center of the page, but it's not. I'm going to click on the star. I'm going to make it a 6-sided star, and I'm going to hit P and watch it move. Now it's in the center of the page. I can go back and make it a 5-sided star. I'm going to type out the word Texas in all capitals, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller than that, and I'm going to make it quite a bit smaller. That's about right, maybe a little bit too big still. Now I'm going to Control K to break them apart. Now I'm going to hit the T and I'm going to put it in the center of the page with the letter P. I'm going to nudge it up twice. I'm going to rotate it using the rotation, and I've already put the indexing lines in the center, and then you can double check on it. It's in the center of the page. We're going to rotate this 36 degrees. My number lock is locked. 36. Sorry about that. Now we're going to take the E, hit P, nudge it up twice, but we're going to rotate it this time in a negative 36 degrees. So we'll double check our rotation. It's right, negative 36 degrees. We're going to take our E, put it in the center of the page, nudge it up, double click on it, get our rotation in the center, double check it. It is. We're going to rotate this a negative 108 degrees. We're going to take our A, hit the center of the page, and this one you could actually just cursor down twice because it's in the right spot. And I think that actually maybe looks better, but we want it rotated, so let's hit P, nudge it up, click on it, double click, make sure we're on there. Sometimes you'll get the text tool if you don't hit that X. We're going to rotate this 180 degrees. The last letter is S, hit P, nudge it up twice, double click on it, move our rotation, and we're going to rotate this 108 degrees. There you have the word Texas around the star evenly. I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.